We're Bertha Bus on the Road, and we're sitting here with a few of our friends, and we're talking about what we want to do to take people away from dependence on the industrialized processed food industry and getting everybody back to growing their own and cooking their own. And the boys are going to help me do a little song that has something to do about that.
Something I can fill you up. Baby, I'm the man that's gonna fill your loving cup with that home cooking. That's what I got. I've been cooking all day, stirring up the pot, fresh from the garden. It's all homegrown. Come on, little mama, let's cook it up at home. Celebrate. I got love on the stove bell, and I've been heating up the place. Feeling rough, and you got an ache in there. You've been feeling better, girl, once I get you there. That home cooking, that's what I got. I've been cooking all day, stirring up the pot, fresh from the garden. It's all homegrown. Let's cook it up at home. I'll get it, Doc. Ain't no GMOs, baby, that ain't what we're about. Just good home cooking, best you ever had. It's all good, girl. There ain't nothing bad about home cooking. That's what I got. I'm cooking all day, stirring up the pot. Fresh from the garden, it's all homegrown. Come on, little mama, let's cook it up at home. Oh, I like it. Fresh. Garden fresh. Homegrown, you know what I'm talking about. I like it. Here's some of that.
This is Bertha Bus. Over and out. Chew on that one.